Hey guys, it's your boy Nas, aka Supreme, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you're no time subscriber, well, welcome back, my love. I'm back. I know. It's been a minute, a hot second or whatever. But yes, you guys, I'm finally back. I'm in school. So I kind of got some downtime, and today is actually Curl Fest here in Atlanta. And I wanted to do a really cute hairstyle. I didn't know if I was going to do a get ready with me or a vlog kind of situation. That's still up for debate. But what I do know is that you guys are going to get a really cute hairstyle. So if you want to see that, just stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I'm going to do this more as a walkthrough tutorial, or that's the goal. If anything changes, I'll be sure to, just do a voiceover. But I'm starting off on a kind of styled hair. This is like day 2, 3 hair, and then I just kind of slicked it up into a nice bun. But we're going to be taking this out. If you have medium length hair, you definitely want to start on stretched hair. If you have longer hair, this is going to be easy, and for short hair, this might be impossible. But nothing's impossible if you truly believe. Where there's a will, there's a way. So yeah, like I said, starting on pre-stretched hair, I'm gonna just take this out because I kind of have to re-slick some stuff down. And I only have a little bit of gel, so there's that. I'm just going to take some of, this is just water, some water, my spray bottle, spray this. So first we're going to be using some Gorilla Snot. I would be using other gel, but I would use 2 gels, and I'm running low on my Wet Line Extreme Gel, so Gorilla Snot it is, girl. So first off, we're just going to start by taking like 2 sections of hair out. Alright, so now that we have this first kind of like part, these are going to be like your little antennas. So you just want to move these out of the way. And I'm just going to go ahead and twist this down. Now you're also going to want to take out some spaces for just added stuff. Like, you don't necessarily need this, but I think it brings the look together, so I'll be doing it.
So fix your crown, girl, walking in the mortar steps. And if he's mute, tell that man speak up. Oh, it's been days I ain't heard from you. I'm still wondering, am I good for you? Am I good for you? Do I fit in your frame of view? 'Cause you never talk to me. I can feel it when you walk with me, yeah. Yeah, it's been days I ain't heard from you. I'm starting to wonder, am I good for you?
Okay. Okay guys, give me 1 second. Whew. So this is going to be a full arm workout. I promise you guys, after this you're going to have guns, like boom, boom, okay? But getting the ponytail is the hardest part. Promise, pinky promise. So now you're just gonna wanna take some tools, some hair tools, and just pick your hair out, whatever you have. I have this big shampoo comb. I also have a pick, and you're just gonna wanna pick it out as much as possible. You really want volume here, so try to pick your hair out and get as much volume as possible. And then after you've done that, let me back up a little bit so you can get all of this in the camera. You're going to want to put your hair up And you want to have like this little, I don't know what to call this, little gap here between your hair and like the puff, because essentially this puff up top is going to be what is out. So if you have longer hair, of course this section is going to be longer, but you don't want to make it really super short like this. You want to like maybe about there. That looks good to me. So I have this little palm tree up top. Can you guys see that? I hope you guys can. But now I'm just gonna take my rubber band, and where I feel as if it's probably needed, like right there, I'm going to go ahead and tie this. Alright, so if you've been following along, you should have something that looks kind of like this. I know it doesn't look the cutest right now. It kind of looks like, girl, what you doing? But it is what it is. So be very careful not to poke your eyes out with this. It's kind of tangled right now because I used it before. But, okay. There we go. I have two different ones. One is a little bit thinner and a little bit more malleable, and then this one is a little bit more heavy duty. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to go in with the thinner one first, just to get the baseline, and then this one is going to be for the actual like look kind of deal. So I'm gonna show you how to put it in. So first you're just gonna want to stretch it all out, right? Mine's kind of already cut in half. It's really a long wire, but I folded it in half, so you should have a piece that looks like a little hoop at the end, and then two open parts, like so. So now you just kind of have like a shoestring almost. And then you're going to want to take a bobby pin, place it in the loop, like so, and then hook it on like that. Like I said before, be very careful to not get this in your eyes, because this can like pump your eye up. Point in case. Okay, so now you're gonna want to do the same thing with this one, and then try to cover up all the space that you didn't get to cover up with the first one. Got it? Okay. Alright you guys, so for the next step, what we're going to do is, now that we have our gold wire in place and our hair up, the easiest and most efficient way to do the next thing is probably to do these pieces that are just hanging out. So I'm going to show you what I do. This is why I had to save this bad boy, okay? You're going to take some wet line extreme gel, and you're going to want to get your hair just a little damp. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a straw. This is my secret, you guys. These things come in handy all the time. Take a straw, any straw. This is the old straw I just found. Now, what you're gonna do with the straw is you're going to cut it in half. Okay? Like, that looks about half, right? Pretty even. But to be sure that we're getting the most efficient, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this in piece off of this so that they really are equal. So now that I have that done, kind of like what we do for straw sets, I'm just going to take this, I'm going to wrap it around and then bobby pin it. This way, this gives me the look that I want. All right, so I think that these are now dry, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take them out. But yeah, as you guys can see, it gives it that coil kind of shape that I was looking for. So that's essentially what these are gonna do as well. I'm just gonna let those sit for a minute. I think I might as well just go ahead and work on my edges. Okay, so I just got back from doing my edges, and this is what it looks like when you take it out. You actually could have used less hair, but it is what it is, you guys. Actually, while I'm at it, let me scrunch that kind of back up. And I'm just gonna be taking some of this hairspray holder, just to keep everything in place. For these pieces, you guys, use less hair. That's what I've noticed. I think I just took too much hair for this piece, but it's fine. It looks okay. And if you guys want to get into the full look, let me just go put the shirt that I had on with this look and the earrings, and I'll be right back just to show you guys like the full, you know, effect or whatever. So yeah, I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so this is the end of this tutorial. Hopefully you guys like this look as much as I did. I thought it was pretty cute. If you're wondering where I got this really cute shirt from, you know what I'm saying? And these hoops, ASOS baby. Yeah, but other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. This is your boy Nas, aka Supreme. See you in the next one.